This is MMAInsideTheCage.com. I'm Joe D. It seems the UFC resident Buddha Roy Nelson has found himself in quite a jam as of late. There were a lot of rumors floating around that Brock Lesnar wanted a piece of Roy Nelson, wanted him to be his stepping stone back to contendership, but that was all a bunch of baloney. Roy Nelson is not allowed to fight. Roy Nelson and Zuffa are both currently being sued by Roy Jones's promotion, Square Ring Inc. Square Ring Inc. claims that Roy Nelson is in fact under contract with them. There was a contract that was signed prior to him being on The Ultimate Fighter, and Roy Nelson is no longer allowed to fight. Now, of course, this is in the courts. Zuffa is being sued, but as far as I know, that's going to be completely thrown out because Zuffa completely covers themselves and protects themselves with all of their contracts, with all of their fighters for such an instance to occur. And Roy Nelson, he's got lawyer bills stacking up. He's got no way to make money. And here's what the big rumor is, that he has officially contacted Vince McMahon. That's right, you heard it. Roy Nelson is jumping ship to sports entertainment, or at least he's trying to. He has made the call. Now, whether or not Vince McMahon is in the market for a fat fuck, I don't know. You know, Roy Nelson, I guess he has a joking persona. He looks like a joke. He's a fat slob. You know, maybe there could be some type of a role for him to play in the WWE, but he needs to make some cash. Now, there have been some successful transitions from mixed martial arts into professional wrestling. Dan Severn did it. Daniel Puder won a reality show called Tough Enough that was produced by the WWE. He also had a contract. And of course, this Ken Shamrock was probably the most successful transition. He had a great stint with the WWE, but it was also the demise of his career. Going from pulling punches back to throwing real punches, it doesn't translate as well as going from mixed martial arts to faking it. It just doesn't happen, and he was never the same after that. Now, Roy Nelson, I mean, who's to say, who am I to say that he's not going to be successful in the WWE? But you are a complete sleuth. You need to lose 30 pounds. You need to get your life in order. You are a fat fuck. Good luck with the WWE, Roy. And I actually hope you don't even come back, because I don't like you. You're a pig. This is MMAInsideTheCage.com. I'm Joe D.